Oh, shoot.
Yes.
Is she coming in or Zooming?
She's on Zoom.
Oh, she's here too, you know.
Correct, yeah.
Yes. We had initially
Good morning,
tried
Ms.
to go,
Medina.
we had initially tried to go into the courtroom, Judge. We love the live action in there, but then we came back on Zoom.
Yeah, that's okay. Your appearance for Mr. Shoup?
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Shoup, I believe a number of his
And good, and
Oh,
good
sorry.
morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people, PH 6771.
Thank you. And Mr. Shoup, you can hear us all?
Yes.
Thank you. What do we got?
Your Honor, I think Mr. Shoup has several cases scheduled for pretrial. Two of them are scheduled for an arraignment pretrial, Your Honor. We are prepared to waive formal reading and stand mute as to those cases, Your Honor. We would ask for an adjourned pretrial date so that we could receive and review discovery, and we would also ask to address bond, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, so it looks like cases ending in 45 and 46 are the ones yet to be arraigned. I'll enter not guilty, please, for Mr. Shoup.
Yes.
And let's see, for pretrials, pretty much any Wednesday.
Okay, Your Honor, give me 1 second here.
So pick a Wednesday and we'll schedule all the files for the same day.
I'm trying to see, Your Honor, because I'm gonna be following this case, trying to see. Your Honor, if we could set it for the 14th, I don't want to put it too far out. If I can't be here physically, I'll have one of my colleagues cover, but I would not like to set it out past the 14th.
Yeah, February 14th, 10 o'clock.
That sounds good, Your Honor.
And that's going to be with Judge Green, so that's Zoom.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's talk bond.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to speak with APA Mohammed. He has spoken with, I believe, one of the complainants in these cases, I guess like a representative of the family, if you would agree. And he has a cash bond, a 10% bond on several cases. I believe his total is $3,000 at this time. He is unable to post a monetary bond. We would ask that the court consider a personal bond with a tether, Your Honor. My understanding is that there's to be no assaultive contact with the complainants. No assaultive contact with the complainants and not to return to the home address. Is that correct, APA Mohammed? If the court, of course, is in agreement, Your Honor, with what we have stipulated to.
So it would be, the people would request that this individual, if to be released, would be on a tether due to his history of failing to appear and his criminal history. We'd also request that no physical contact with any of the victims or even personal contact. The only contact the victim expressed to me is she wants to be able to communicate with her brother through the phone. So no assaultive contact and to remain on the tether if released.
Okay. The only problem with this is I'm the one that set his bond as I did because he told me he had no place to go except the address where his siblings were. And I can't give a GPS tether to a homeless guy.
And I understand that, Your Honor. I have spoken to my client today. He has indicated to me, that's why I wanted to set such a quick pretrial date, just in case he's not able to confirm an address. But in speaking with him today, he seems pretty certain that he's going to be able to reside with someone in Dearborn Heights. So he was going to make some calls. And so that's where we're at, Judge. We can revisit in 2 weeks if he's unable to provide a tether address by that time.
I'm not sure how it'll work. I suppose I could change the cash bond to a personal bond on those other files, require the GPS tether, and they're not going to let him out unless they've got an address that's been confirmed. I would assume.
That's exactly what would happen. And that's why, again, we would come back in 2 weeks. If he wasn't able to get an address, then we'll see where the cases are at that point and where the complainant's at and where everything's at.
All right. So what we'll do is I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files for Mr. Shoup.
And I think
Good morning, Corporal.
Good morning, Your Honor. I was just going to add that he is receiving mental health treatment here. And if he does get that personal bond with GPS tether and he has no verifiable address, he can also be put in an inpatient treatment facility for mental health.
Oh, I'd rather have that.
Yeah. As long as it's stipulated on the minimus, Your Honor, they can work with him and put him in a treatment center.
Miss Medina, maybe you need a breakout room because I'd rather have him in treatment than out at some friends.
Well, Your Honor, my understanding is that my client would like to be, if possible, Your Honor, released from custody, but of course that would be up to the court to decide. It would be great if that could be an alternative. So if he's not able to get an address and able to be tethered, that then he be placed in inpatient as opposed to just sitting in the jail. But we would still ask the court to consider a personal bond with a tether, Your Honor.
And Judge, just for the record, after speaking to the victim, she did express to us that she largely wanted this individual to receive some kind of treatment. So we would stipulate to anything in regards to this individual receiving treatment.
Thank you. Mr. Shoup, brother, I don't want you in jail.
Okay.
I think I made that clear to you last time I had you on video. I don't want you in jail, but I can't have you in the street.
Right.
I want you in treatment. If the jail can put you right into treatment right now, are you willing?
Yes.
Listen to me. These problems with your siblings, you've been on a roller coaster, man.
I know, man. Since my mom died, I know.
We gotta get your head in the right spot.
All right. Your Honor.
All right, hear my heart. I think I'm doing this for you, buddy.
I think you are.
I think this is what you need.
Yes.
I mean, I could put you out in Garden City. Mr. Mohammed already gave me the okay, but I don't want that. I don't think that's what you need right now.
No, I don't.
All right. So, Corporal, let's be clear. If I put him on a personal bond on all files and require mental health treatment, that's what you need on the MIT.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. I'm not going to do the GPS tether. I'm going to order the no contact, but I don't want the tether to mess things up. I'm assuming, Corporal, if he's not in treatment, we're going to know it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are we all satisfied with that?
Yeah, I'm just confused. Deputy, does he require a tether to go into inpatient or no? It would be fine, a personal with mental health.
Whatever the court wants. It's just once. They won't transport him to an inpatient treatment center because he's no longer on tether. He's not a tether. So he'll have to self-report. If he's on tether, we can transport and we can monitor.
Okay, so it's better to put him on the GPS tether.
Exactly.
I thought it was another impediment, and it's actually helping. Okay, so I'll order the GPS tether, I'll order the mental health treatment, and I'll order the no contact. So other than phone contact with your siblings, that's it, correct, Mr. Mohammed?
Yes, sir.
And remember, Mr. Shoup, that all of your calls are recorded now that we're talking about phone calls, okay? All right, thank you.
Yes, I know.
Mr. Shoup, good luck to you, brother. So on each one of these 5 files, I'm going to put you on a $1,000 personal bond. That's your promise that you're going to abide by those rules I just laid down.
Yes, I will.
You're in treatment, you're on the GPS tether, and nothing but phone contact with your siblings.
Right.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debts payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 times 5?
Yes.
Good luck to you. Corporal, thank you so much for your help.
Thank you, Your Honor. All the best to you and your staff.
Take care, Deputy.
All right, Councilman Medina. You guys have a blessed day.
Bye, you as well.
Crystal, did you speak to him? Were you in there with them?
Yes, so I spoke with Mr. Noakes. I think we have a game plan, but Ms. Mandranak kicked me into the main session because she wanted to speak to him alone.
Okay, all right.
All right.
Did you want to speak to Mr. Wassan?
I mean, first I'd want to confirm what they decided in their conversation that I think I would have been fine being a part of. But
you should have been in there with.
Yep.
Okay.
So I just wanted to say, you know, why I'm out here, and hopefully I'll find out a summary and then we could go from there.
Okay. Josh, are you ready on Mr. Shearer?
We are. We're going to be setting up for final pretrial date though, and we're asking for a standby, so we may need Miss Mandranak. I don't know if she's been
All right. and
joining
then-
for
Then
the,
we'll wait for the judge as well then.
They have the standby on there, issued on my thing for a one-time pickup of stuff too, on my court
we're
release.
just gonna amend it to indicate that a third party can execute it. That way, we're just gonna keep you
Okay.
clear from it. Mostly just doing it to not waste whoever your third party's time is when they go up to Huron Township Police.
Yep. They said to call, meet them at the cemetery down the street.
What date are you looking for, Josh? It's
It's
every
possible.
Wednesday. What date are you looking for?
It's gonna be on a Wednesday, you said?
Yep.
Let's do. One week's probably not far enough out, is it? 'Cause I'm already back here with you guys in a week.
Well, everything has to do with Miss Mandernash. She's the one.
I don't know, I can't talk right now.
Miss Mandernash,
Good morning, do you have a
is
paper?
1 week sufficient to put out a final pretrial notice to the complainant on the Douglas Shear matter, or do you want to go further out?
I would prefer 2 weeks.
So can we do the 14th, Heather?
Yep. Do you still need the judge for the standby or are we good on that?
We just need to make an amendment that says that a third party can execute the civil standby. We think it's in everyone's best interest just to keep the.
All right, then I'll wait for the judge to come out on that. So you want the 14th, on Wasan's file. What day what are we planning on doing?
I'm requesting an exam, and if we could do the 14th, and as I've told APA Mander.
That's not our day for an exam.
Oh, what date
So
is?
Either March 6th or April, I think it's April 17th.
Okay, I will be out of town on April 17th, and on March 6th, I will be beginning a homicide trial.
All right, then let me see what the next week is. April 24th.
I'm beginning another homicide trial.
Miss Mandernach, can we use you on a Tuesday since we used to have you on Tuesdays or no?
So the issue isn't me, it's having a victim advocate present, and since this is a CSC3, I want to make sure that we have appropriate victim advocate coverage. I can check with Abby real quick.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, what was the date?
I have Tuesday the 13th, February 13th.
Okay, that would work for me.
Well, let's see.
Okay, let me talk to Abby real quick and I'll be right back.
All right.
And I would just kind of need to know also the final pretrial.
Well, I understood.
All right.
No.
Hello.
Michelle, I'm in a bit of a jam. I've got another hearing I've got to do. Can we
Okay.
tentatively just set it for the 13th of February? And if anything changes, let me know.
Yep, we'll call you.
Right, here's
Okay.
Miss Mandernack. Miss Mandernack,
Heather, I
did you
just-
confirm that?
So I cannot do Tuesday the 13th because I don't have victim advocate coverage that day.
What was that?
Oh, I can't do Tuesday the 13th because I don't have victim advocate coverage that day.
Okay. February 26th.
I'm, be-
in
I'm
the morning?
beginning another trial that day.
Okay, so you're totally unable to do March 6th? I'll call you.
Yeah, I understand. Well, I understood Judge Sabri was going to come on Zoom to do mine.
March 6th works for the people.
Right.
Okay, I'm on Zoom right now with another court. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Mr. Noakes, so you're starting a trial on March 6th?
Yes.
Okay, so what week are you not in trial?
If we can do it the following week.
What's the following?
Well, I take that back because this trial is expected to go 2 weeks. Let's go the following week, like the 20th of March.
26th?
Oh, February 26th doesn't work. I'm in trial.
So you need the week of February 20th?
I can do that.
I can't. So go to the next one. Oh, unless we can do February 20th in the afternoon.
I can do February 20th afternoon.
I've run into the same issue
Okay.
with, I don't have victim advocate coverage on Tuesdays because both the first step advocates and our Wayne County Prosecutor Office advocates are like scheduled to be in different courtrooms on those days.
All right. Well, we can't do a Wednesday. He's not available for our Wednesdays.
Okay. I can do whatever, or I'm sorry, which Tuesday were we looking at then?
Well, only the 20th in the afternoon, but we can look at another week if that doesn't work for you.
That works for me. I'm not in trial.
Okay, good. We'll set it for
at
1:30?
20th at 1 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much. I've got to run. I've got another judge calling me.
And Heather, is there any way that we could set then the misdemeanor for a final pretrial, though I didn't get to speak with APA Mandernack? Is that okay with you? APA Mandernack?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. And then can I speak, I guess, with the client just briefly?
cool.
So I can
Hi,
introduce
sir.
myself? I'll put him in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Counsel, with the interpreter, is it Garbuzov? I don't, I think your client's coming in now. Try to check him in with the interpreter.
Okay.
I just don't read Russian. I think that's what it says on the screen.
Let me see.
Do you see him on the screen?
Uh,
Bottom.
yeah, it just
at least
says
I'm fine.
user of Zoom. Kind of a little bit of a broad category, but yes, it's him.
Okay, thank you. Let me see. He speaks no English, correct?
None. But Miss Abbott is here. Can I speak
Yes.
to him in a breakout room with Miss Abbott, and then
You
we'll be ready to
can.
go?
You can. Let me put you.
Mr. Washington?
That's okay.
Yes.
Earl Washington, yes, your client's here live in person because these are live dates today.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna try to get him on Zoom.
Okay.
All right then, thank you.
You're welcome. Did you need to speak to the prosecutor while you're waiting?
Yes.
Is he with Mohammed?
Miss Mandernack? Grabkowski is yours, right? Yes. Nope, just put him in Patricia's breakout room.
I gotcha.
When we're done with the court. Thank you.
I'm Robert Reese.
I'm sorry, I'm the complaining witness in your family are in a room. I'm just gonna bring them in here real quick. Okay.
That freaked me out. I didn't realize it.
All right. Report district court down session. You have Brian Neal.
Have a seat. All right, ladies, your appearances on the People versus Robert Reese.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patricia Mandernack for the People, P84088.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Patricia Citrino on behalf of Robert Reese, who's seated to my left. Mr.
Thank
Reese,
you.
please state your first and last name for the record.
Robert Reese.
Morning. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, at this time, Your Honor, with defense counsel, I believe we may have a slight issue here. At this time, the people are moving to amend the complaint from one count of domestic violence, MCL 750.812, to one count of aggravated domestic violence pursuant to MCL 750.8182. And the people would request that this matter be set for a jury trial.
Your Honor, I would be objecting for setting it for jury trial at this time. I did receive 44 pages of medical records on January 10th of this year, and given the amendment, I just need additional time to investigate further. I am in a jury trial that is going mid-February, so I'm asking for something beyond the February date. I just need more time to be able to consult with my.
You want to set it for a final pretrial after you have a chance to consult?
Yes.
Look at the discovery?
Yes.
All right, let's do a pretrial. We won't need the complainant to be here that time. Agreed?
Okay.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so how far out you want to go? Any Wednesday works.
How far will you give me?
Any Wednesday works. I mean, I don't want to go into August, but.
You have one moment, Your Honor.
Sure.
Your Honor, would the court entertain April? Or is that too far?
Any objections? Ms. Manerick?
Sorry, Judge, I'm just looking.
April dates.
Your Honor, I have no objection to April.
Any April, any, doesn't have to be me.
One, which one?
Any Wednesday.
Which one do you get the judge?
One moment, Your Honor.
That far out, it doesn't matter to us one way or the other.
And I'm sorry, Your Honor, you said Wednesday?
Any Wednesday. Wednesday in the morning.
How about April 10th?
So. All right, so that'll be Zoom with Judge Martin. What time do you want to do that? 9?
That's fine.
9 a.m.?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, ladies, anything is to bond?
No, Your Honor. I just wanted to clarify for the record that the complaining witness is not required to be present.
Correct.
For 10 days.
Correct.
Thank you.
Your Honor, for purposes of the amendment, does he need to be rearranged in any shape or form?
Waive formal reading of the amended
I do
complaint?
waive formal reading.
Then we're fine. The bond's not going to change.
Thank you.
All right, so good luck. See you later.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, I won't see you.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day to you and your staff.
Amended complaint. I will email that to you. And defense counsel.
And
Shearer.
Yeah, Jamie, if you're out there, tell Josh we're ready on Shearer, please.
Here.
Mr. Shearer, you can hear me okay? You're muted. Just give me a thumbs up. If you
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, I can
There
hear
you
you,
go.
Your
All
Honor.
right, we're getting your attorney back in the courtroom. He was in and then ducked out again.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Oh, Your Honor.
Mr. Hadley, your appearance for Mr. Shearer, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Hadley appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Douglas Shear, who's appearing via Zoom. Your Honor, we're just setting this matter for a final pretrial for the complainant to appear. And we have one housekeeping matter we'd like to put on the record related to retrieval of personal property from the residence when the court's ready.
Did you discuss how far out we were going to go for the final pretrial? Did you pick a date?
We did. We are going to be going out until February 14th, the people's request.
All right, how about 10 o'clock?
Excellent, Your Honor.
All right, so bond will continue, but you want to talk about a civil standby?
We do, Your Honor. Mr. Shear is currently equipped with a tether monitoring device, and he was given an authorization to use Huron Township Police Department for a civil standby. After kind of reading the police report and discussing this with Mr. Shear, I think it would be in everyone's best interest to have a agreed upon third party be the individual who goes to the residence, even with the police standby. I think it's just going to be better for everyone involved.
Okay.
So we would ask the court to basically amend the police standby to allow for a third party on behalf of the defendant to do the retrieval. Mr. Shear had two individuals that he had proposed that we believe would be mutually agreeable. Obviously, he can't call the complainant to verify she's okay with this third party.
Yeah, here's the way I think we've got to do that. I don't think Huron's going to care who calls and says, "Hey, I want to meet you at this address to make sure there's no problems." So I think to get the third party approved, that's something that you and Madam Prosecutor should just exchange some phone calls.
Okay, very good.
Obviously, she's got contact with her complainant.
Yes.
All right.
Very good. That's exactly what we'll do then. And I mean, you're on the final pre-trials in 2 weeks. Again, if it's something that's turned into more difficulty than it's worth, we'll address the matter later. But we appreciate the court's time for hearing it out.
Fair enough. Good luck, Mr. Shearer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's all we got so far. What about this? We need an interpreter on Maxim. Counsel, do we have an interpreter coming on Maxim?
Your Honor, she logged in, and I was having issues with her Zoom. She's going to log out and log back in momentarily. So just give her 2 minutes, please.
Okay. Are you ready when we get the interpreter?
Yes.
I'm assuming that funny writing down there is Mr. Maxim or Miss Maxim. I don't. Counsel, are we going to need the prosecutor in here for Maxim?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. And how do you pronounce your name? Garbazov?
Garbazov, Your Honor. Thank you.
Garbazov. Thank you. No, not unsure. The victim was here. Wasn't sure the one that Mandrich. Oh, yeah. I don't think we do either. So. Mr. Shearer, you should be good to go. Mr. Hadley will reach out to you, I'm sure.
Okay, thank you. You have a wonderful day, Your Honor.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
Miss Mandernack, can you please talk to Mr. Washington in your breakout room? Maxim, are you ready on that case? Counsel?
We're waiting for the interpreter.
Oh, she's back.
she's
I
in.
just put her back in.
There.
We are ready to go then. Yes, absolutely.
All right, is that Ella Abbott?
It is Ella Abbott, yes.
All right, interpreter, you're muted. Okay. Mm-hmm. We got our interpreter on?
Interpreter is here.
All right. And the language is Russian, correct?
Correct.
All right. Would you inquire of Mr. Maxim if he can activate a camera?
Господин Максим, пожалуйста, включите камеру.
Сейчас.
Thank you. Ms. Abbott, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between English and Russian and English so that we can discuss this matter today with Mr. Maxim?
Yes, I swear.
Counsel, go ahead. Your appearance.
Yes.
Пожалуйста, господин адвокат, вам слово.
Good morning, Your Honor. Leo Garbuzov appearing on behalf of defendant Maxim Andreev, who's present via Zoom.
Добрый день, господин судья. Леонид Гарбузов представляет интересы Максима Андреева, который здесь по Zoom.
Your Honor, this is a date and time that was set for a pretrial in this matter.
На сегодняшний день назначено предварительное слушание по делу.
And Your Honor, even though it's not a complicated case, there are potential immigration consequences that I advise my client about and that he's well aware of.
И несмотря на то, что это дело не такое сложное, но тем не менее существуют иммиграционные последствия, с которыми мой подзащитный ознакомлен.
And for that reason, Your Honor, I submitted a deviation request to the Wayne County Prosecuting Attorney's Office.
И по этому поводу я подал ходатайство в отдел прокурора Wayne County.
And Your Honor, we're still waiting for a final answer from Mr. Bresnahan in this regard.
И мы ждем еще ответа от господина Брейна по этому поводу.
And I would respectfully ask that you adjourn this to a final pretrial in about 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm sure by that time we'll have a final answer and we'll know whether or not a resolution is possible.
И я хотел бы попросить, чтобы вы отложили рассмотрение данного дела еще на 2-3 недели, и до тех пор, пока мы не получим ответа и не будет вот этот вопрос, не будет видно, что этот вопрос, как этот вопрос будет разрешен.
February 21, 10 a.m. work?
На 21 числа в 10 утра.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. That date does not work. Is there another date that may be available?
Нет, к сожалению, день для меня может быть какой-то другой день.
28th?
28 число.
The 28th at what time, Your Honor?
Во
10 a.m. work?
10 утра.
That should work, Your Honor. Thank you.
Да, это подходит. Спасибо.
Mr. Maxim, February 28, 10 a.m. work for you?
Господин Максим, 28 февраля в 10 часов подходит это время для вас?
Подходит, спасибо.
Yes, it works.
All right. Any questions for your attorney before we terminate the meeting?
К адвокату или к суду?
Нет, вопросов нет.
No questions.
All right, Ms. Abbott, thank you. Counsel, good luck.
Thank you so
Your
much.
Honor, thank you as well. I just wanted to make sure that we're gonna have an interpreter available for us on the 28th and to renew my request for an interpreter.
С 8 февраля был заказан переводчик.
Going in the system right now, council.
Thank you so much.
Да, будет помещен заказ в систему.
Thank you.
Спасибо.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Abbott.
Miss Medina, you got something?
Yes, Your Honor, Ms. Kirk, we actually have a plea form, Your Honor, but at this time, she'd like to consider the offer, so we are seeking adjournment, I think.
How far you want to go?
If we could just do 2 weeks, Your Honor. I mean, well, sorry, AP and Mohammed wanted 1 week. If we could do 1 week, I apologize.
Next Wednesday? February 7th? How about 10:45?
That's great, Your Honor. Would that be in person or on Zoom?
Is that us again? Zoom with Judge Martin.
Okay, so it's gonna be in 1 week. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck.
You're gonna give your notice with the Zoom number and that's.
Judge, that's Judge Green on the 7th.
Oh, that's TBG?
Yes.
All right. Crystal, that's Judge Green next week.
Okay, thank you so much.
Still Zoom.